Hey guys, we got our big intercooler for the Ford Raptor. That's a factory one right there. That's a louvers. And Richo, you're going to run us through what we need to do.
Yeah, so if you've got to this point here, you've obviously got the louvers off the intercooler, but a few people have been getting confused what to do with the electronic control on the side here. So the easiest thing to do is on the back side, you'll notice there's this center girdle that holds the louvers in place. Pop the front two off by opening these outer clips here. Use a screwdriver to do it. They pop off these two here. Go to the short side, so the opposite side to where the motor is. There's a little plastic tab there. See me pushing on that, Paulie? Yep, sweet. So you push it out so that you can release the louver. Right. Slide the louver out of the gear as well. So there's a shaft at the end of this louver which is driven by the electronic motor there. Slide that, take it right out the way. Now, you'll see that on yours, there's a T20 Torx bit screw that sits in this very corner here. I've already removed it on this one, but it's here. Just need to remove that. From there, take the motor directly off the assembly, plug it back into the factory harness and zip tie it we put them on the chassis rail. It depends what bar's on them, what sort of toe kits are on them. Somewhere out of the way that they're not gonna get, you know, dirt and dust all over them. Once they're plugged in, that's all you need to do. The ECU will think that they're still there and operating when technically, you know, we've got rid of the louvers altogether and, you know, increasing your airflow.